Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks time tracking. This powerful tool helps you accurately record employee hours, manage projects efficiently, and streamline your payroll process. We'll cover everything from initial setup to generating detailed reports, ensuring you maximize its benefits for your business operations. Get ready to simplify your time management. Getting started with time tracking is straightforward. First, activate the feature within your QuickBooks account settings. Then, add all your team members and grant them the necessary permissions to track their hours. You can also define specific service items or projects, ensuring that all time is categorized correctly for billing and reporting purposes. This foundational setup is crucial. Your team members have several convenient ways to log their hours. They can use the mobile app to clock in and out with ease, or manually enter time for specific tasks and breaks. It's simple for them to assign their time to the correct customer, project, or service item. Remember to regularly review and approve these timesheets to maintain accuracy. Once time is tracked, generating insightful reports is simple. You can quickly view total hours worked by each employee and filter this data by customer, project, or specific service items. This detailed information can be directly exported for efficient payroll processing, saving you valuable time. Plus, these reports are invaluable for creating accurate and transparent client invoices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.